Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome back. This is iAllegedly. Got a good one for you today because we're going to cover stimulus and how the White House has just said that there will be no more stimulus checks. Bum, 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 unless Congress decides. Nothing's coming from the White House. Okay? So we're going to get into and cover this whole thing and everything that we know right now. Before we do, please hit the subscribe button. Please join the channel. Please hit the like button on the video. Please hit the bell notification so you also get notified on everything that we're doing. Plus, we've got an email list that's in the video description that you can join our email list and get up to date on everything that we're doing. Let's get into it. Jen Psaki, the press secretary for the Biden administration, had just said that there will be no more stimulus payments sent directly to individuals that are mandated and directed by the White House. They're very expensive, and unless Congress approves them, there won't be anything. So, are you guys ready for that? You're ready for, okay, I mean, get ready, because this could be it, okay? And you know, some people are not. So let's cover everything that's out there right now and what you need to do if this is it and if there are no more benefits of any kind. Now, one thing that the press secretary did cover and tout was the child tax credit. Now, what does that do? If you deal with people like me that have adult children, I'm not getting the child tax credit. A lot of you are single. Maybe you don't have kids. Now, for those of you that do have children, here's how this works. If you have children that are under 6 years old, they have to have a Social Security number. You will get a $3,600 tax credit. Now, half of this will be paid to you between the months of July and December of this year. They will come out in monthly payments. Now, if you have more than one kid, congratulations. If your kids are between the ages of 6 and 17, not 18, 6 and 17, you're going to get $3,000 of this money, which is a healthy chunk of change. You know, I know people with 3, 4 kids, they're going to get some money. Now, it leaves a lot of people in the lurch on this. And, you know, there's a lot of details to this, and I can run it through, and I'll leave a link for you so you can take a look at this. But it leaves a lot of people out of this right now that won't be able to get this money. And I just think that people relying on, you know, this money as a tax credit, it's not going to benefit the masses. There is a petition that has been signed with over 2 million people from change.org that I will get you guys a link to. And they're asking for $2,000 monthly payments to all adult Americans during this time until the pandemic is over with. Will it happen? Will it not? I don't know the answer to that, but it's something that is out there, and people can get involved, and you can sign that. It does have the support of 75 Democratic leaders in Congress and in Senate that have signed it also and said that they're behind it. But right now, we have nothing, okay? So with the divided House and Congress being separated the way that they are, it is very unlikely that there's going to be direct stimulus payments. Now, we just heard about Hawaii saying that they can, you can start to sue people for eviction. They just extended the eviction moratorium in New York until August. But Hawaii just also announced something that is, you have to pay your electric bill. They've had an electrical moratorium through HECO, which is the Hawaii Electric Company, that you don't have to pay your electric bill if you're in the state of Hawaii, and you can defer it. Now, imagine deferring your electric bill for 12 months, 14 months. I mean, it's this tall now. So they also said today that you need to work out a payment program immediately. What if people don't have the money for a payment program? What are they going to do during this time? So, this is bad news for a lot of people. There are, there's trouble coming, to say the least. The pandemic unemployment is still available. A lot of you have applied for that, gotten it, and there's a lot of people that have been denied it. Tito Ortiz, ex-UFC fighter, now the mayor of Huntington Beach, went out and he said he was underemployed. And I posted that in my last video about how he got unemployment. And it's preposterous that someone can be working like that and he's underemployed for what he's doing and he's getting it, and a lot of people out there are not. So again, file for pandemic unemployment as soon as you can. Again, go back and ask for it. If you need the appeal packet that we have posted many times in the past, I will share that again with you guys and get the pandemic unemployment appeal packet. It's for California, but if you're outside of California, it's got all the references and everything that you'll need for that. But the question is, what are people going to do? Share your thoughts, share your comments. I don't think we're ready for this yet, personally. I just don't think it's right. There's a tremendous amount of people out there that are hurting right now, and this thing has not been, we're just not ready for it. But if you've noticed the stimulus checks, the first one for $1,200, the second one for $600, and the third one for $1,400, they took longer and longer and longer to get issued. And the last one was a complete disaster because people that were the lowest income earners, that were on Social Security, that were on SSI, that were the retired veterans, they got paid last, okay? And it was horrible. Now, I'm gonna show you guys, if you have not gotten your stimulus checks, any of them, and you feel that you're eligible for them, there's a thing called rebate recovery. I'm gonna show you how you can get that money again and how you can file for it, and you can contact the IRS to get those payments. Now, people have done things like, hey, I changed bank accounts, the money was sent to the bank account, and now I can't get it. You can apply for rebate recovery and get the check sent to you again. They will reissue the check. They will reissue the card if it was sent to the wrong address. If you moved, whatever, you've got to be proactive. They're just not going to find you and send you the money. You've got to go get it. So hopefully, for those of you that have not gotten this money, there'll be a resource for you. Also, elderly people and people that you know that are eligible for this, please help people out that are less fortunate. If you have a family member, friend, anybody that could be getting this money, help them get this money as soon as you can. Let's take a look at this also on how you can get this. Now, if you haven't gotten the payment, you can file for what is called rebate recovery. When you file your 2020 taxes, the tax filing deadline date has been extended through May 17th of 2021 to file initially. Now, you can get an extension and all that stuff too. But if you haven't filed, you can file what they call rebate recovery, and you can ask for the stimulus payments that you have not received. Now, you need to go again and check out the payment portal on the IRS website, where's my payment, and it will tell you the status of it. Now, here's the thing. If they've given you a date on supposedly when your payment was sent out, either electronically, mailed, whether it was a paper check, the debit card, or it was a direct deposit, you have a date as far as when it was sent out. You cannot contact the IRS. They don't want you to for at least 26 days. So look at the date that they have there and then go beyond the 26th date, and you'll know if you can start calling them and asking them about that. You can call them and you can explain your situation, and they will tell you how to get this, and you can get it corrected very quickly, and you may not have to file a tax return to get that. That being said, the majority of you that have not gotten the payments are going to get this all corrected when you file your next tax return. That's just everything I've read is showing that. Another item to be concerned about is the CDC issued a rent moratorium. And the rent moratorium was just overturned by a federal judge saying that the CDC overstepped their bounds in issuing this rent moratorium. So this is going to have legal challenges, and it's going to throw things into complete chaos because this is going to be a problem now. Because what if they stop it? What if the rent moratorium ends in 25 days or 15 days or something like that? Are you ready for that? Your friends ready for that? you know that there are people out there hurting for this, and this is bad news. So August is one thing. This thing is going to end sooner than that, it looks like. So good luck. I'm sorry. Okay, it's bad news. Please share this with all your friends and colleagues. Good luck to each and every one of you. If there's new news, I will share it with you guys. I'll give you information in the video description below if you'd like to sign that petition for the $2,000 a month. I don't know. I think it's time to get ready. It's time to get ready to move on and realize this could be the best it gets. I think we're coming into a dark period with business and with certain issues that are going to happen in this country as far as economic issues, that is. I think that we all need to be kind to each other and prepare and get ready. I will give you guys current news when we get it and share it with you as soon as I can. Good luck to each and every one of you. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and you can always get a hold of me and ask me questions, and I will answer every single one of them. If you want to join the Patreon group and get more access to me and have me consult your business, the link is below. Good luck, and I will see you very soon.